Welcome to the Good Mood Boost. This is your midweek pick me up. I'm your host, Matt O'Neill, and this is the show that helps you feel good and learn strategies from experts on how to feel your best.
Welcome to the Good Mood Show. Here's your host, Matt O'Neill.
This week on the Good Mood Boost, we are going to hear from psychologist, coach, author, and speaker, Angelo Valenti. Angelo has got a tip for us on how he feels his best. We're going to listen in live, and then I'll have commentary after.
Hello, I'm Dr. Angelo Valenti, and I'm passionate about helping people find their easy way to enjoy life. One of the simplest and most powerful tools you can use to be in a good mood and enjoy your day is to practice gratitude. And not just any gratitude, but gratitude with a twist. Let me tell you a story about one of my coaching clients, Larry. In one of our recent sessions, I asked Larry, as I usually do when I start my sessions, "What's on your mind today?" And Larry said, "Well, my week started off a little bit rough. My coffee maker broke. My cat shredded my favorite couch, and I missed a meeting because my alarm didn't go off." So I said, "How did you react to that?" And Larry said, "I decided to practice gratitude with a twist. I said to myself, 'Thank you, coffee maker, for reminding me to enjoy a peaceful breakfast at a cafe. And thank you to my mischievous cat for giving us a chance to get a new couch that we can both enjoy.'" "And how did you feel about that?" And he said, "Well, I felt better almost immediately. By acknowledging the annoyance, but putting a humorous or accepting twist on it, Larry was able to brighten his mood and have a good day." Now it's your turn. The next time something small or annoying irritates you, practice gratitude with a twist. Find something funny in what just happened, and you'll find that your mood will get better almost immediately. Don't deny your feelings. Acknowledge them, but recognize that you can do something about them. Just practice gratitude with a twist. So the next time something irritating happens in your day, practice gratitude with a twist. Put a spin on it, and you'll find that your mood will get better and you'll have a more enjoyable day. If you'd like to reach me, you can reach me at angelovalenti.com. Thank you.
Dr. Angelo teaching us about a new level of gratitude. I love this concept of gratitude with a twist. We all know that keeping a gratitude journal will brighten our lives. I happen to keep a gratitude journal, and I have for the past 15 years. Every day I write down 3 new things that I'm grateful for. But I love this concept even more. And that is being grateful for the things that are annoying in our lives. Just today, my wife approached me and she said, with a big smile on her face, "We are so blessed. We are so blessed. We are so blessed." And she's holding her calendar, her phone in her hand with a calendar. And she said, "This is our schedule tonight. You're going to take Kelly and Brady to her basketball game. I'm going to take Cameron and Harper to Cameron's soccer game. Tomorrow morning, we have basketball and soccer. Then you have daddy-daughter dance. And now I've just found out that on Sunday, not only do we have the games, but we also now have 2 different talent show practices." And her gratitude with a twist was to say, "We are so blessed to have such a full calendar." And of course, the annoyance is that we both would like a little bit of rest this weekend. But it's so nice to do gratitude with a twist, to instead of complain, because what's the point of that? We're just going to get in a bad mood saying, "Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We never get a break. It's this game and this game and this game. We're going to run ourselves ragged." Well, if we talk like that, we're going to feel like that. It's better to do as Katie did and Dr. Angelo suggests, to give gratitude for it. Hey, we are so blessed. Our life is so full. we've got these incredible children, and they love and are passionate about talent shows and practices. I would much rather have children that are passionate about playing sports and are brave enough to get up on stage on a talent show and run around on the weekend than have children that just want to sit on the couch all the time. In another way, today we were having a finance meeting, just to give you another life example. My wife and I were having a meeting, and we put on Brady, our 2.5-year-old. He loves dinosaurs. So I put on a show about dinosaurs just to see if we could get some time to talk, my wife and I, about finances. Well, he comes to me and he says, milk. And I said, oh, sure. You want some milk, buddy? No, mommy milk. I'm like, okay, mommy can give you milk. And then I picked him up and got him some milk anyway. Katie stands up a little bit while later, and she goes, and she said, honey, come see this. And I walk out, and Brady had grabbed both dog bowls and had taken the snack that I had given him and poured it in the dog bowls the dogs eat out of. And as we tried to get closer to take it from him, he pulls the dog bowls closer to his chest. And then we turn and we see that the milk I had given him has been poured all over the couch. And again, gratitude with a twist. In that moment, we could have flipped out, yelled at him, spanked him, gotten ourselves angry and in a tizzy. Instead, we laughed about it. He's literally eating out of a dog bowl, and milk cleans up. So we cleaned it up, and the gratitude is that we've got a 2.5-year-old that keeps our life very spicy and very interesting. And if we didn't have him, our life would be much less full and much less amusing, happy, joyful, and loving. So the next time something annoying happens in your life, practice, as Dr. Angelo suggests, gratitude with a twist. This is a fun as heck good mood boost. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I have, and we'll see you next week.
Thank you for listening to this week's episode of The Good Mood Show with Matt O'Neill. For free resources, videos, and materials about getting into your best moods, head over to thegoodmoodshow.com. See you next week, same time, same place.